Below the constitutional officers sits the machinery that actually delivers services to 39 million people, the administrative state. It's organized into 11 cabinet-level agencies, each headed by a secretary the governor appoints. One appointee stands out, the director of finance, who runs the budget and is effectively the second most powerful person in the executive branch. The scale here is hard to overstate. California's executive branch employs around 240,000 full-time workers, making it the largest employer in the state. The budget it administers, roughly $300 billion including federal funds, exceeds the national budgets of most countries. Let me bring this to life with a few of the most consequential agencies. Take environmental regulation. The California Air Resources Board, known as CARB, has become one of the most influential state agencies in American history. Under a special waiver in the Federal Clean Air Act, California can set vehicle emission standards stricter than federal minimums, and other states can adopt California's rules. The result: CARB standards effectively set the rules for roughly 40% of the national vehicle market. CARB also drove the landmark Global Warming Solutions Act of 2006, which made California the first state to cap greenhouse gas emissions across all major sources, a model copied around the world. Or consider the social safety net run by the Health and Human Services Agency. At its heart is Medi-Cal, California's Medicaid program, which covers about 14 million low-income residents, roughly 35% of the state's population, and about a fifth of all Medicaid enrollment in the entire country. The agency also runs the nation's largest food assistance program and a vast welfare-to-work system, with a budget exceeding $140 billion. Then there's public safety. The Department of Corrections and Rehabilitation operates 35 adult prisons and is one of the largest correctional systems in the world. At various points, its population has far exceeded design capacity, which led a federal court to order the Prison Realignment Program in 2011, shifting lower-level offenders from state prisons to county jails. At roughly $15 billion a year, corrections is one of the most expensive parts of state government, and because the prison population is disproportionately Black and Latino, it remains a focal point of reform advocacy. This sprawling apparatus is what any governor must somehow try to steer